Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Pavitra L, pursuing first semester in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today, I'm going to present on a topic, Applications of Lasers, which comes under a subject Applied Physics for CSE stream. In this session, we are going to deal with the three major applications, which includes laser cooling, barcode scanner, laser range finder. Before going to the actual topic, we'll have a brief introduction about lasers. Laser stands for light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. It is a device which produces a coherent beam of optical radiation by stimulating electronic, ionic, or molecular transitions to higher energy levels. Lasers are essentially highly directional, intense, monochromatic, and coherent optical sources. Now, we'll move on to the applications of lasers. Firstly, we'll discuss about laser cooling. Laser cooling is a multi-process that includes a number of techniques in which atomic and molecular samples are cooled down to a temperature near absolute zero. The method is based on the interaction between light and matter, and it exploits the way in which photons transfer momentums to atoms. The directed energy of laser is often associated with heating materials, for example, laser cutting. The basic principle of laser cooling is the absorption and re-emission of photons. There are several different methods of laser cooling, each of which is suited to different types of particles. The most common method is Doppler cooling and Sisyphus cooling. And the first one is Doppler cooling. Doppler cooling is used for cooling neutral atoms. It relies on the fact that the frequency of the light absorbed by an atom depends on its velocity. As an atom moves towards a laser, the frequency of the light it absorbs is shifted to a higher value, and as it moves away from the laser, the frequency is shifted to a lower value. By using two or more lasers that are detuned from each other, it is possible to ensure that the atoms always re-emit photons in a direction that opposes its motion, leading to cooling. The second one, Sisyphus cooling. Sisyphus cooling is a method of laser cooling of atoms that is used to reach temperature below the Doppler cooling limit. These type of cooling can be achieved by shining two counter-propagating lasers beam with orthogonal polarization onto a sample of an atom. Atoms that are moving through the potential landscape along the direction of the standing wave results in a loss of kinetic energy. They move to maximum potential, and at these points optical pumping moves them back to a lower energy state, and these results in the lowering of the total energy of an atom. In addition to Doppler cooling and Sisyphus cooling, there are several other methods of laser cooling, including polarization gradient cooling, subdoppler cooling, and resolved sideband cooling. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice depends on the specific requirements of the experiment. Now we'll discuss barcode scanner. A barcode reader or barcode scanner is an optical scanner that can read printed barcodes, decodes the data contained in a barcode to a computer. Like a flatbed scanner, it consists of a light sources, a lens, and a light sensor for translating optical impulses into electrical signals. Types of barcode scanner. In that, firstly, we'll discuss pen type barcode scanner. Pen-type barcode scanner, also known as wand barcode scanner, consists of light source and photodiode that are placed next to each other in the tip of a pen. The second one, laser scanner. Laser scanner is a type of barcode scanner that scans barcode from about 6 to 24 inches away. Laser barcode reader uses laser beam as their light source. It allows to scan the barcode around 500 times or more per second, thus reduces the error in capturing the binary digital signals. And the third one, CCD scanner. Charged coupled device barcode scanner is one of the most widely used scanners to read the barcode data. These barcode reader uses an array of hundreds tiny light sensors that arranged in a row in the head of the reader to read the signals from barcode. Omnidirectional scanner. Omnidirectional scanner is a type of barcode scanner that reads barcode in any direction. Omnidirectional scanner uses laser beams as a light source. It consists of fixed mirrors and a rotating mirror present to generate patterns of laser beams. The working procedure of omnidirectional scanner is same as a laser barcode scanner. And the next one is PDA scanner. When any item is scanned through PDA barcode scanner, then the scanner reads bars, space and lines of barcode so that the barcode data is converted into a readable form. In PDA barcode scanner, the PDA device are combined with an integrated barcode scanner. Now we'll move to the third application, which is laser rangefinder. A laser rangefinder, also known as a laser telemeter, is a rangefinder that uses a laser beam to determine the distance to an object. The most common form of laser rangefinder operates on the time of flight principle by sending a laser pulse in a narrow beam towards the object and measuring the time taken by the pulse to be reflected off the target and returned to the sender. Due to the high speed of light, this technique is not appropriate for high precision submillimeter measurements, where triangulation and other techniques are often used. It is a type of scannerless lidar. Now, we'll see some applications of laser rangefinder. The first one, military. Rangefinders provide an exact distance to targets located beyond the distance of point blank shooting to snipers and artillery. Handheld military rangefinders operate at ranges of 2 km up to 25 km and are combined with binoculars or monoculars. And the second one, 3D modeling. Laser rangefinders are used extensively in 3D object recognition, 3D object modeling, and a wide variety of computer vision related fields. These technology constitutes the heart of so-called time-of-flight 3D scanners. In contrast to the military instruments, laser rangefinder offer high-precision scanning abilities with either single-phase or 360-degree scanning models. Thank you for watching. Please do like the video.